This airplane was owned by the Royal Canadian Air Force from 1954 to 1964, and then it moved on to Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan, and it performed on their aerobatics team for a number of years. What's up guys, my name is Ian Polishes. I like to polish things, and this week we got called back to the Dakota Territory Air Museum to restore the shine back to this 1954 Harvard T6. So we got tasked to restore this airplane to its original shine. This is not the original paint. It was repainted in 1979, but that doesn't matter. We were still able to bring it back. We've got most of the airplane polished already and prepared for ceramic coating. So what you see here is the cleanest, the rawest this paint has probably ever been since 1979. So for me personally, this is a very interesting project. Coming from the Air Force, working on the B-52s to now helping preserve history is just an unmatched feeling. I couldn't be happier and more grateful. So stay tuned to see how we did it. All right guys, so here you can really see how dense this oxidation is, how many minerals are really in this paint, and just how overall hazy it is. The LEDs are blurry. There's a lot of just gunk and yuck on top. We're gonna get into it with our LHR15 and a wool pad and Scratchwerkes Pro Shine. Go get yourself a bottle at shopscratchwerkes.com. So I've already shaken up my bottle. 4 little drops. Straight up. Go slow your first few passes. Really let those abrasives break that oxidation down. Skip up over the rivets. Let the rivets just catch the tail side of that pad. Okay. Come back over it again. I'm doing light to medium pressure. Now I'm going to pick my arm speed up because the abrasives have broken down. Because the rivets are there, I'm going to do 2 passes, but as you guys can already see, watch this flight. Look at that difference. Unbelievable. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to clean it up just one more time. I'm going to give it another wipe just to show you guys. See how much better that reflection got of that ceiling light? Boom. Happy. Now that the oxidation is removed, you can clearly see each individual LED and the flawless paint that is still left underneath. Even take a look at these rivets. They came out amazing. You do got to be careful because you might run the risk of pulling some paint off, but if you guys do it right, you won't. All right guys, well, my mic died, so I got to enunciate a little bit. Hopefully it's not overbearing. We're back in the hangar here at the Dakota Territory Air Museum in Minot, North Dakota. We brought the Harvard over here to finish up with the coatings, do some tidying up of some minor details under the better lights. And then we're gonna let it sit and cure in here before they move it around. So massive thank you to the Dakota Territory Air Museum up here in Minot, North Dakota for allowing me not only to work in their space, but to work on their projects. These are their prides and joy. So I am very grateful and very happy to be able to bring Goldilocks back to life, make her yellow again, protect her with Scratchwerkes gold ceramic coating, so that we don't have to worry about bugs, we don't have to worry about any of the oil that's coming out of this Pratt & Whitney. It's set, it's protected. They fly this thing a lot, so maybe we'll get some air-to-air footage of that in the future. Fingers crossed, hopefully, maybe. But again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you sticking around to the end of the video. If you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us as we're growing. Like the video, and then comment down below your thoughts. If you need to reach me, Ian at scratchwerkes.com. Send me an email, Ian Polishes on Instagram, or Scratchwerkes on Facebook. Thanks for watching, guys.